Oh my god. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be working on my dad's 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon. This is our family's second Jeep. We had a lot of fun in the old one, but I wasn't old enough to help with it. But now I can. My dad didn't want to get ripped off by the dealership, so we're installing our own tow package. There's still a lot I don't know about, but there's some important numbers to keep in mind. This hitch receiver from eTrailer.com. This one was a little more expensive than the others. It exceeds the towing capacity of this Jeep. This leads us to believe it's a lot stronger. It also has a higher tongue weight. Let's get started. There's 4 bolts we have to put in, but first we must take out 2 of the factory bolts. A breaker bar will help loosen them. The instructions say that we have to drop the muffler, but we might not have to do that. Since this has welded nuts, we're gonna use 2 of the factory bolts. We're gonna have to slide it behind the factory bumper. Make sure you put this side facing the rear of the Jeep.
With the Jeep.
With the Jeep. Bolt number 1. Bolt number 2.
These are the factory bolts.
We're gonna leave this loose until I get the rest in. Bolt number 4. Now that we got all the bolts in, we're gonna have to torque them down to spec. Alright, good to go. See you guys in part 2 when we install the wires for the trail lights.
Would you say this was a hard install?
No, not really.
You think Mom could do it?